is the shirt. I don't know how the color is coming off here, but this looks like deep brownish cherry. Okay, there's a little bit of cherry in this, like little bit. But other than that, this is like 80% brown. This looks pretty nice and ordinary, but if you wear it, it has like really nice sleeves. That's why I liked it. I bought this like 4 years ago, and then it kind of like disappeared in my wardrobe somewhere below some organizer. I don't know. But now I finally found it, so I thought I'll wear it and show it to you. I found a lot of things whose disappearance was quite literally a mystery to me. I always thought, where is this? Where is that? But then I just couldn't ever find it. But now I have everything because I was packing and I literally emptied my entire wardrobe. And I just found every missing piece that I thought somehow disappeared, but did not really disappear. It was just there in my wardrobe below some cloth or the other. But I now have it. What is that? Oh, this is my mattress. Don't mind my mattress. I still don't have my bed, so I'm sleeping on my mattress. So just forget about this thing that's kept here. I like this very much, mostly because of the structure, and I really like structured clothing. Like I really like that's my jam. I really like it. There was a matching skirt with this shirt. Same fabric, same color, everything. But I didn't have my size, so I didn't buy it. Okay. I bought the brown bell-bottom leggings in hopes that it can match the shirt. I don't know, you tell me, how does it look? How does it look? I also have these. I think these will look really good. Okay. I do want to pair silver and gold with this, but before that, let's go with the same color stuff and see how everything looks like. I like it. I really like it. And then the back. Okay, I don't have a deep dark cherry red brownish bag, so I think I'm going to work with this. What do you think? I like it. I like it so much. I do like it. Wait, let me see. Let me look at myself. You know what? I envisioned me wearing this and creating this look when I was buying this, but I didn't really think it would look that good. I mean, if it doesn't look good to you, then I don't know. I'll be sad. But I like this so much. I like this so much. This is, by the way, my actual height. And with jeans, with heels, this is with heels. And this is without heels. This with heels. This without heels. With heels, without heels. With heels, without heels. Now you know how absolutely disastrously short I am. Anyway, I have these cherry, what are these? Cherry earrings. I don't even know why I bought them. Sometimes you buy things that look really good, like that look cool. But then somehow you also know for a fact that it won't look that good on you. And that's the same story with the cherry earrings. I saw these earrings all over the internet and everybody wearing them with cutesy sweaters. And I thought maybe I need it too, because I need everything that I see on the internet. But then I bought it and I haven't worn it once. Because I was taking out everything in brown and cherry red from my wardrobe, I took this out thinking that this, I don't know, might look But I know it looks absolutely hideous. If this doesn't go with this, I don't know. I don't know how and where will I wear this. I mean, I would have liked if I had like a small little brooch here. So, this for some other day. Now I'm done with the monochrome thing. I think I will try to wear white. Because I don't know why I feel like maybe white underneath this will look good. I can also wear like a whitish, beigeish, like turtleneck underneath this if it's like too cold. I mean, that is going to look really good, but I don't have. All of my high necks and turtlenecks are in my winter bag, which I have to take it out in some time, but I can't take it out right now. It's like, it's there. It's like on the top shelf, and I need Rahul to get that bag. So just imagine me wearing a beige, what is this? Beige turtleneck in this video underneath this and create a look. Okay. Wait. If it's too cold, I feel like I can just, put it like that, and then I can, okay. And then I can take my bag. If it's too cold, I can do this. I really like this jacket a lot. So if it's too cold, I can do this. And I can also wear the same colored turtleneck underneath the shirt. Imagine me. A white pant, maybe white trousers or white shorts might also look really good with this. Let me see. Here I have the shirt, but now I'm wearing white shorts underneath this. I really like the contrast of the look. Okay. I love you the most. I love you the most. I love you so much. Yes, good boy. Let me just take these out. I need a little bit of silver on the top as well, because there's like too much white weight on the bottom area. There's like too much white here and nothing here. Okay, now I have a little bit of silver on top as well. Maybe I can take a white bag instead of the red one. Maybe that. Too much white? I don't know. Too much white? I don't know what to do. Maybe I can wear like a white shirt underneath, but I don't want to. I always do that. I always put white shirt under pretty much everything. Okay, that's like my jam. I do it all the time, but I just don't want to do it here. If this is like, if this feels too white, then I can ditch the white and I can just carry the red. I don't know. I know you must be thinking, why can't you just pair the same color boots underneath? Like, that's a possibility, and that's a very great possibility. But I don't have the same color boots as the shirt. I don't have it, okay? And we are trying to create looks with whatever I have in my wardrobe, okay? I'm not going to go buy something just to create one look. That's not happening. That's not me. I have never done it, and I don't think I'll ever do it. I like things and I buy things, but I just don't go around buying things thinking that I need to create this one look, and that is why I need to get this one item. I don't think I'll ever do it. Whatever I have, I try to create looks with that. Okay, that's it. That's probably it. This is like an average look. Let's keep it number 2. Number 1 is the first one, and this is the number 2. Okay, and even in real life, this is like number 2. I like it, but I'm also like not really extremely into this look. Let me try wearing the trouser, like the white trouser. I thought this will look good. What is this? Maybe I'll just wear my glasses and then I'll wear these heart-shaped earrings. If I don't have anything, I might go for this one. That's fine. For me, if I can style a piece that is difficult to style in more than one way, like if I have 2 different styles of the same item of clothing, that's pretty much enough for me. Like, it's okay. Like, I'm okay. But I specifically tend to avoid buying pieces that I cannot even create one different look. Like pieces that you can only wear one time, that's like a no-no for me. I can't do that. Like, I don't buy it. Like, I feel like I'm wasting my money. Like, if I ever reach that point in my life that I have like too much money and I don't know what to do with it, maybe I'll spend on pieces that are like one-time wear pieces. Maybe. We'll see. If I ever reach that position in my life, we'll see. But now, at this point, I completely avoid buying one-time wear pieces. Completely avoid it. When I saw this, I knew that it was going to be a little difficult for me to style in a few different ways. For me. You can do it in 100 different ways. But for me, I know it's going to be difficult for me and the pieces that I have. It's going to be a little tricky. But it was nice. I wanted to spend a little bit on something like this. But I'm happy that I can actually wear it in like maybe 2-3 different ways. And this won't just go to waste. Like, it won't be a one-time wear. Yeah, that's pretty much it. A little update on my side table. My side table is still not completely dry. I put a wood varnish over it because I needed a little bit of color protection. So it is going to take maybe 24 hours more. Once that is done, I will definitely show it because why not? I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano.